Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Hello, I'm Purvaja Verlekar. Today I would like to share some few things on lockdown period. But I really took it in a positive way. I just sat one day and thought of it. I noted all my weaknesses in batting and fielding, and I started working on it. I made my plan accordingly. So these are the few things I would like to share. Like lockdown period, quarantine days, coronavirus. These are some things which are not in our hands. So let's not focus on it. Let's focus on the things which are in our hands, and that is to make yourself better. Let's make ourselves better and let's not sweat over small things. So this quarantine period, lockdown period is helping me a lot to make myself better, to focus on myself. I can even focus on my hobbies too.